Hi, my name's Lucie. I'm a graduate from Tech Arts for Theatre and Performance at Wimbledon College of Arts. For my graduate final showpiece, I created a saltwater crocodile in the crocodile version of Morleys, which is a South London kind of like chicken shop. So I created like fried hands and feet, pickled eyeballs, human teeth as mints, and Brutus was stood at the counter moving his lower jaw up and down. Straight after my show, I was really lucky and I got to work on 2 separate events to do like fiberglassing, mould making. We created like an enchanted type forest. It was really fun and I was able to take a lot of the skills that I've learned here at Wimbledon onto that job. Kind of a field that I'd really enjoy going into is museum work, and then taking that, I'd really love to go into a little bit of film for creatures and like reptiles. That would be like a dream and a goal.